Hello and welcome to episode 10, our final episode for season 1 of Will It Microwave, the show where we microwave things to see what happens. On today's episode, we'll be microwaving Brittany's deformed strawberries. We'll just place them there like that and go for 30 seconds. Let's take a look. Whew. Strawberries have definitely started to release their juice. So it's softened up a fair bit. But with a very nice strawberry scent. What a lovely way to finish the season after all the horrible smells we've had. Thank you for joining us for all of these episodes. It's really been quite good. And please be sure to join us again in season 2 for more excitement.